Hello team, hope everyone is doing great. Today we are making bread. It's our bread making day. Yeah. So we are making whole wheat bread. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. If you want to see how we made this bread from the beginning to the end, I would love you to stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed, please do me well to subscribe. If you have not been sharing my videos, please do me well to share my videos. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload. I'm using oats and whole wheat for this bread recipe. We love wheat bread in this house. Stay tuned. So this is all the wheat from that bag. This is the whole of it. It's about 12 cups. Yeah, approximately 12 cups. I'm going to add in my oats. So this is 2 cups of oats. This is 4 cups of oats, 6 cups of oats. So let me make it 20. Remember, I have 12 cups of wheat. This is 6 cups of oats. So that's 18 cups already. So everything is 20 cups here. Okay. So I'm going to go in with my salt. Go in with any salt of your choice. I'm going in with my pink sea salt. Mix everything in nicely. Everything has to be well incorporated. I've gone ahead to mix my yeast with some sugar. It's proven already. For yeast, I'm using 5 spoons and I added half cup of sugar. This is bread. You don't need too much sugar. You don't need too much salt. Put it in your microwave. Allow it to prove very well. As you can see, this has proven very well. So here I have some cinnamon, water, and I'm adding milk. So guys, I know I'm still going to need this milk, but I'm going to set it aside and just keep it in the fridge because I'm going to need this extra cup of milk, trust me. I also added vanilla extract in here in case you're wondering, just 2 spoons. I'm going to blend. If you want your yeast to proof quickly, just add some sugar and put it in a warm place. That's why I put it in my oven and just let it sit there for a couple of minutes and then I add it in and we go. That is how you get these things done quickly. Okay, so here I'm adding my milk, the little bit of sugar, and my vanilla extract is in here, and some water. Yes, you need water in your bread mixture. I also added some cinnamon. You just mix and continue to knead. I'm going to knead it in this very bowl. Just watch what I'm doing. Okay. At this point, I'm going to add my butter. You can go in with olive oil, which I'm going to still use some olive oil. I also like to use some coconut oil for my bread mixture. If you're a baker, you know it's not easy to mix with your hand. I'm already exhausted at this point, but I have to do what I have to do. I'm just going to keep kneading because this is the hardest part, to knead your bread and make sure you come out with the right consistency. My yeast proved very well, as you saw from the beginning of this video, because I added a little bit of sugar just to help it prove well. It proved so well, and I know this bread is going to come out very fantabulous. Just stay tuned and enjoy this video. 12 cups of whole wheat flour, 8 cups of oats, right? I'm using coconut oil to knead, okay, because I want it beautiful. Coconut oil will give it a beautiful aroma. I just love to use coconut oil in my recipes, especially for my pastries. Guys, you're going to keep kneading. So guys, I keep adding oil to knead. I'm using coconut oil, as you all know. I want a very soft dough. Very, very soft dough. I like the way it's coming. You can also use your mixer, your bread mixer. Look at that. This is so good. I'm going to set it aside and I'll allow it to double in size. I'll just set it aside and allow it to double in size. Yeah. But before I do that, I'm going to add butter. I want it to come out very soft and flaky, you know, like cake. I know you guys saw when I added butter from the beginning, right? Yeah, but I still want to add butter at the end of it. Guys, you're going to see how this bread will look. It's going to look very, very spongy, like there's something I'm trying to get. So melt your butter in like so. Just use that butter and milk to spoil your bread. You don't have to do what I did. You can change it your own way. Gucci's like to spoil her family. I want them to enjoy it. Love the consistency. It's just rising and rising and rising. Our bread is already rising. At this point, I'm going to cover it up, allow it to rest for about 45 minutes. After then, we'll go to the next section. So guys, our bread has doubled in size. As you can see, it's so beautiful, guys. It has risen so well. All you want to do is to release the bubble. Knead again. This has been properly done. I don't like wasting time, guys, bringing all the gadgets. I have all of them here. Esther, my daughter, will say, Mommy, you have this whole mixer. You don't want to use it. I don't know, because I've used my hand long time enough. So at this point, you can knead again, and after kneading, you cover it up again for another 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I just poured oil in my hand, that way I can be able to cut in and begin to put them in each pan. That's where I'm going to leave it to prove again, because it's still going to keep proving. Okay, so cut in, put them in the pan, cover them to rise again. Just like so. I tell you guys, it's not too hard. It's something you can do. So I'm going to put this here. I'm using the same pan, guys, because it's pastry time. We have been baking since 2 days now, so it's pastry time. I actually left this for a couple of hours because of my time. Okay, so you can leave it for a couple of hours. Maybe for 1 hour if you have that time. Maybe for more than 1 hour. Okay, so I'm going to just shape them to my desired shape according to my pan. Yeah, those are the same pan I used for my banana bread recipe. I'm still going to use them for my bread. Wheat bread is going to come out very, very soft and fluffy. Okay. I'm going to put this here. Everything you're seeing here will double in size. Guys, do you know I did bread some time ago, which I haven't posted till now, because I did it with my other camera phone, which is having storage issue. Imagine that. That is what content creators experience. You still need to keep doing whatever you can do with other camera. I used the pan previously. Rub oil in your hand again. Cut in. I'll cover them and let them keep rising for another maybe 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Guys, there's something I'm thinking about. I wish to have time where I can do a tutorial with certain people who want to learn pastries the easiest way. I wish to do that. Maybe it's going to be a master class, which Gucci's. I don't know if I will have that time. But honestly, if I have that time, I would love to do this. I just want to bless people. This is what I do in churches. Go to churches, teach people how to do several things, and a lot of mothers have been blessed. I remember when the spring roll came up, a lot of people wanted to learn, and thank God I was privileged to be part of that blessing. Please drop on the comment section what you think, and thank you if you have watched till this moment. Please do me well to share this video to your family, friends, and loved ones. It's going to be very helpful. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and please give this video a massive thumbs up. Thank you and God bless you. Drop on the comment section if you love videos like pastries or cooking soup or rice or whatever recipe. Let me know what you think on the comment section. So I've gone ahead to cover it up so that, you know, it will double in size. As you see, this one is already doubling in size. All of them will double in size, so we can put them in. I've set the oven on 350. So we'll just let it rest maybe for like 45 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah, we still have leftover here, which is still gonna go in. But yeah, that's it. It's gonna take us 1 hour to cook. So guys, as you all can see, our bread has doubled in size and it looks so fantabulous. Like, this bread looks very, very good. It's gonna come out very yummy. Like, it's gonna be like bread cake. If you ever know bread cake, I have bread cake on my channel, and that is my father's recipe. Yeah, if you think I got all this from the sky, no. My father makes pastries. Yeah, my mother can cook. I mean, it's a lot I can talk about my parents. I learned a lot from them. Okay, that's a story for when I'm going to have master class. I'll tell you guys a lot that you don't know. Hopefully we have that master class, honestly, this year. I don't know what it's going to be like, but this is how I'm grazing it. You can do it with egg, you can do it with milk. I'm doing with milk. All right, just beautify it, wash it, give it a nice touch, massage it, whatever you want to do to your bread, do it. Okay, so guys, this is a dangerous part, honestly. If at this point you're putting it in your oven, make sure your oven is preheated already. Any little mistake, your bread or your cake or whatsoever you try to bake will fall. And once it falls, you won't see this beauty. The way it's rising, the way it's looking swelled up, that's how it's supposed to come out, okay? But any single mistake with all of these things, it will fall. That's one thing with cake, with bread, all of these pastries, that's what happens with them. So this is just me letting you know. It has happened to me sometimes, yeah. Not because I want my bread or my cake not to come out the way I love it, just like it's looking. You see how beautiful all of these are looking. Yeah, that will tell you that it's really came out very, very well. But when you leave your oven open for a long time, your pastry will fall, and it means that it will fall and not look puffy the way a bread should look. Okay, that doesn't mean your bread is not good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please tell me what you think. I'm still going on to grease this. I don't think all of them will enter, but in my head, because I'm so tired, I'm trying to see if everything will go in, even though I know it will not go in. Have anything like this happened to you before? Sometimes you just want to quickly do this thing and get out of the kitchen. Guys, we have been baking since yesterday because we have pastry days in this family. So it's our pastry days and we didn't round up yesterday. So we have to just continue the next day. Look at me forcing this in. Gucci's team, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Let's see what the end will be. Guys, look at our delicious whole wheat bread. Came out very, very nice. I am creaming it with some butter. You can go ahead and cream it with butter, or you can go ahead and cream it with some coconut oil. It came out really, really beautiful. It's like a couple of it fell in. Can you see? A couple of it fell back because I left that oven open at a point. This is what you get. Man, look at that. Very delicious. You see, guys? Don't look at the fact that it fell, but look at it. Oh my God, this is so good. Whole wheat. This is awesome. So you can see our bread came out very good. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Guys, look at that. Man, this is so good. Oh my goodness, look at. Look at, oh my goodness. This is so good. Oh my goodness, this is so good, guys. Oh wow. Nemekukwele need scratch made these pans. And I see because no scratches on my pan, Vico. Oh man, look at. This is so good. I'm gonna cut in. Let's get this. Wow. I'm so sorry about the noise. My grandbaby is here. This is so good. Look at our bread. See how nice, see? Oh my goodness, this is so good, guys, see? This is so good. Chidebube, come and try. Papa, where were the bread? Daddy? Chidebube, here. Yum. Yum. Guys, this is so good.
I don't know that thing was doing that. I was.
This is so good, man. Chineme, this looks like that cake bread I used to do. My father's recipe. Man, this is so good. Man. Very delicious. Look at that. Look at that.
Creamy.
Stay tuned for more recipes. Which is to be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. This is my whole wheat bread. How do you feel when you do a good job? This is exactly how I feel, guys. Trust me. Don't mind me if you think I'm doing too much. I just love my work. My work always come out fantastic. I wish you all can be here to taste from my work. But the saying is believing though. This is the last batch of our bread. And guys, it came out so yummy, so delicious. Thank you all so very much. God bless you mightily for tuning on to watch my videos. Thank you. Ciao. Bye.